Hi, welcome to Steammaster, and I guess you're here because you are a carpet cleaner and you need some cleaning equipment. Look, aside from Steammaster providing you with what we believe is the very best equipment, we are interested in helping you do something else, and that is grow your business. Because we know what it's like as a carpet cleaner. You are constantly trying to think of new ways to attract customers. And because you may not be a marketing expert, you're probably scratching your head thinking, okay, well, how do I do this? How do I find more customers? Well, we're going to help you do that, because when you buy equipment through Steammaster, you become a free member of the Steammaster Academy. And what that is an environment, a resource where you can actually tap into and swipe fantastic ideas of how to attract new clients to your carpet cleaning business. A big part of the Steammaster Academy is what we call our Steammaster Blueprint of Templates. And what that is that we provide you with done-for-you templates of a whole bunch of things. For example, websites, or your website, I should say. If you don't have a particularly good website, or you may not even have one at all, then we will give you a template of a website that you can just swipe and put your details on. We've done all the hard work. We know exactly what you need to say to potential clients, potential customers, and so we've written all the templated copy. We've put the website together. All you need to do is just label slap your name on it and your contact details, and you've got an instant website. How good is that? We've done the same thing with brochures, letterbox brochures. All you need to do is just put your contact details and your ID on that brochure. That's all you need to do. It doesn't matter whether it might be email, direct mail, as in emails, direct mails, to prospective commercial clients. It might be that you're chasing down commercial clients who have offices or have a building, and you need to send out an email campaign. Well, we have a template for that. You might be in the regional area of Australia, a country town, and you can afford to do radio advertising. Well, we have radio ads that you can actually take from that. We have Facebook ads. I mean, Facebook and social media should be a big part of your marketing plan these days, but I know what it's like. You're thinking, well, how do we do that? Guess what? We've done it for you. We've created the Facebook ad, okay, or Facebook ads that you can choose from, and then you simply select it, you put your contact details on it, and off you go. Now, of course, that Facebook ad, most likely, when they click it, will bring it back to the website that you've also swiped from our system. It's all done for you. You don't have to do a thing. You don't have to think about how do you attract new clients. We've done all the thinking and the strategy for you. And we've done that with the help of a master of marketing here in this country, because we realized, of course, that if we're going to provide this stuff to you, we want to make sure it's stuff that's based on proven models. And so we've got the best of the best to help us put this resource together that you get absolutely free, exclusively to carpet cleaners who buy their equipment through Steammaster. Think about this for a moment. If you went and got your equipment from anywhere else, then what do you get? You just get the equipment. The company is not going to provide you with access to a resource like this, whereby you've actually got advertising, marketing templates on tap whenever you want to use them. We think it's an unbelievably valuable resource. We know it is, and we know that none of the other suppliers would ever think about doing this, nor would they have the skill set to be able to provide this to you. So we really think it's an unbelievable bonus that you get when you become a client, a customer of Steammaster, and it's something you won't find anywhere else. And we're just glad to do that, because we know if we help you build your business, there's a good chance you'll come back and buy more equipment or chemicals or whatever from us. That's the idea of it. We want to make sure that we give as much value to you as possible so that you build your business, and as building your business, you're going to need more equipment, you need more chemicals, you'll need more stuff from us. So thank you very much for visiting, and by the way, if you need some more information, then just click the button on this page which says, yes, I would like some more info, and we'll make sure we get that to you as quickly as possible.